1978 Ford truck, $18,500, Hamilton, Montana. This 1978 Ford F-150 truck combines rugged utility with classic American truck styling. It's a 4WD model powered by a 1995 Ford V8 engine equipped with fuel injection, providing improved reliability and power compared to the original. With 91,500 miles on the odometer, this truck has plenty of life left. The clean blue paint, automatic transmission, and clean title make it a standout example. It's described as an excellent driver with great looks and sound, ideal for someone who appreciates classic trucks with a touch of modern performance. Two, 1972 Ford F250 Dually, Portland, Oregon. This 1972 Ford F250 Dually is a robust pickup featuring a matte black paint job that highlights its no-nonsense aesthetic. It's powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. With features like power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning, it's both functional and comfortable. The rust-free body and new interior add to its appeal. While the odometer has rolled over, the seller assures that it runs and drives great. This truck offers a blend of vintage charm and practical utility for a reasonable price. Number 3, 1974 Toyota Corolla TE28 Wagon, 17,500 Tracy, California. This 1974 Toyota Corolla TE28 Wagon is a unique find, representing the reliable and practical vehicles of its era. Equipped with a rebuilt 3TC engine, a low-mile T50 transmission, and numerous modern upgrades such as coilovers, Bilstein shocks, and new brake components, it's a well-rounded machine. The seller notes a clean, rust-free body stored in a garage for most of its life. The tasteful modifications, including a complete MagnaFlow exhaust system and Euro-style taillights, make this a standout option for fans of classic Japanese wagons. (1901) Pontiac Lons, $18,000, Waterford, Ohio. This 1971 Pontiac Lons offers vintage muscle car styling at an accessible price. Under the hood, it features a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The hardtop coupe design, red paint, and new tires and wheels add to its visual appeal. Front disc brakes ensure modern stopping power, while the seller describes the car as running well and being in good condition. It's a great choice for enthusiasts who appreciate the classic Pontiac aesthetic. Five, 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic, 19,900 Austin, Texas. This 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic is a well-preserved example of the iconic car-truck hybrid. With 89,983 original miles, it boasts a rare factory 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Features like factory air conditioning, power windows, and locks reflect its top-tier trim. The seller includes original documentation such as the Monroney sticker and registration, which add to its collectible value. Recently serviced and equipped with new tires and brakes, this El Camino is ready for the road. 6. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle, $18,000, Lewes, Delaware. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle is a potent mix of style and performance. Powered by a rebuilt 350 V8 engine with a turbo 350 transmission, it features a 750 quick fuel carburetor, a 3500 stall converter, and a 12-bolt rear end with 4.11 gears. The black paint is complemented by a rust-free body and frame. A roll cage and ladder bars underline its performance potential. Described as running strong, this Chevelle is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car with upgraded capabilities. Seven. 1962 Chevrolet Impala 409, $16,500, Shoreview, Minnesota. This 1962 Chevrolet Impala is an elegant sedan with a powerful twist. Originally equipped with a 283 engine, it now houses a 409 cubic inch V8 producing 425 horsepower, paired with a 350 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear differential. Recent upgrades include a new exhaust system and front disc brakes. With a clean body and strong mechanicals, this Impala represents an excellent blend of luxury and performance from the early 1960s. (1964) Datsun 320 pickup, $17,000, Carlsbad, California. This 1964 Datsun 320 pickup is a rare and charming classic. Upgraded with a 1300 engine and a 5-speed overdrive transmission, it retains its original stock look while delivering improved performance. Recent restorations include a rebuilt engine and transmission, new paint, and interior upgrades like carpet and seals. With a clean title and current registration, this truck runs and drives exceptionally well. It's an excellent option for collectors seeking a compact yet iconic Japanese pickup. (9) 1966 Ford F100 Longbox, $18,000 Victoria, British Columbia. This 1966 Ford F100 Longbox is a timeless workhorse with numerous modern updates. Powered by a 352 V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it features recent enhancements such as Willwood front disc brakes, a rebuilt carburetor, and upgraded suspension. A fresh lowering kit and stylish rat rod wheels give it a custom look. Inside, the newly upholstered seat and headliner add comfort. With a clean body and strong mechanics, this truck is a solid choice for enthusiasts. At 10, 1964 Oldsmobile F85 Deluxe, $15,000, Manteca, California. This 1964 Oldsmobile F85 Deluxe is a rare and well-maintained example of Oldsmobile's compact offerings. Powered by a 330 cubic inch V8 engine and a factory Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a lively driving experience. The seller highlights its rust-free condition and clean body, with upgrades including a 4-barrel carburetor and new shocks. With its original Fremont, California build and a clean title, this F85 is an attractive option for Oldsmobile enthusiasts.